Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, May 3rd. May has begun, you guys. I know a lot of my budgeting people are working on their budgets and trying to figure out the money. Some people have magic months like me, and some don't. My magic money is already spoken for, and from all of your comments, it seems like I should really go on the cousin trip that we have planned, and we'll just, figure out the dental situation later. I this morning just feel really like, I don't know. I went to the gym. Zumba was great. Got a good sweat. I'm already up to 7,224 steps, and it's only 12 o'clock on the dot, legitimately. I don't know. I feel weird today. I made sure I did my hair. I even put a little eyeliner on, and I put on one of my favorite dress to try and like bring me up. But there's no sun really today. It's just really blah outside. And so I feel very blah. I also don't feel great physically in my body. I feel like I'm going to gain weight on that scale tomorrow. I feel bloated. I feel like my gut is not doing what it should. I have gone to the bathroom at least once or twice per day. So it's not that. I just don't know what's going on. But I know myself. Like I can feel when I don't feel right. And it's really been making me consider doing like a 3-day water fast or finding some kind of detox or cleanse to kind of flush whatever is going on in there, as well as I have a dental appointment for the dental surgery, the root canal, and a temporary crown on Monday, which is kind of I probably won't go to eat anyway. So I'm debating whether I want to start like tomorrow a water fast and just kind of rock it out for the next couple of days. Y'all, I don't know what it is in my spirit right now. And I know we're going to get into the clothes that we have over there. That's what we're going to do next. But I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. I don't know what it is in my spirit right now about health. Like, I feel like something just keeps telling me, Tara, get your health in order. Get your health in order. And I feel like everything that I should do, I don't want to do. I should count calories. I don't want to do it. I should weigh the food. I don't want to do it. I have a calorie tracking app. Yes. Do you have a scale? Yes. Why won't you do what you need to do? It's so frustrating. In my head, it's like I don't want it to be this hard. I don't want it to be this hard. But then there's another part of my brain that's like, you did this to yourself, Tara. Like growing up, if you had, well, that's different childhood trauma, why I eat everything off my plate and all that. But if I had recorrected previously, maybe my ghrelin levels would be normalized and I would know when to stop eating and I wouldn't be craving all these things. But then the other part of my brain is like, well, there's no time like the present. Stop talking about the past and just start doing something now. There's a part of me that wants to go like completely whole foods, and the part of me that's like, that's really not going to really work for you, girl. Maybe just start small. And I'm leaning towards the start small section, but I feel like I also need to tell the other part of me, like, we can't have chips anymore. We can't have cookies anymore. We can't be doing all that because I have spent over 40 years of my life eating crap. And my body's like, you need to get it together because we're not going to last another 40 years if you don't. And I don't know who else maybe needs to hear that or why I feel like I need to share that with y'all, because I don't usually get this deep on my channel about weight loss. But that's how I feel right now. But it just feels like it'd be momentary. It's like it feels like it is momentary. Like I'll be in this mood for a moment. And then when I see the Doritos or something I'm not supposed to eat, then all of a sudden it's like whatever. Like why can't I keep this feeling with me the whole time? Anyway, we've been talking for 4 minutes. Whoever that was for, including myself, I hope you heard it in the way you were supposed to hear it. But we're back in the bedroom and the closet's pretty much done. I'm loving the organization. I'm loving the system. But I am seeing that I don't have a lot of work shirts. I don't have a lot of work pants. I'm seeing a lot of things that I'm lacking in that closet, but making the best of what I can. I need to make sure I nair my legs because I have a decent amount of dresses that I need to wear. But now I think it's supposed to rain all week. Moving right along. We've got that corner over there. Can y'all see it? We talked about that corner before, but today I think I really want to do something about it before I leave my house. So that's the corner that has everything that needs to be either sold, given to Goodwill, or it needs to be sewn or fixed in some sort of way. So let's just get this. I'm about to just pile it all on the bed. Hey guys, I'm downstairs, so I'm actually about to refill my water. My first Awala bottle is done, and I'm gonna have some tea. I'm hungry because I know I hit my fasting window of 16 hours. That's like my minimum, and I'm actually hungry. It is, you wanna turn on? No, 1:36 p.m. and I do have some tangerines and bananas, but not ready yet. So we're gonna go with the tangerines. And I made a pizza yesterday, and I have half of it left. So I ate half yesterday, and instead of spending any money outside, this weather is kicking my butt. I cannot stand it. Instead of spending any money outdoors, I'm just gonna heat up my pizza in the air fryer, sit down for a little bit before I head out to do my dad's invoice and hang out with grandma. I feel like it's gonna be a real chill day today. Not even sure y'all gonna see this vlog, but this is my life most of the time, just chilling. Y'all see my life on the weekends. I don't be doing nothing. But my sister said something to me the other weekend, and she was like, "Are you gonna do anything fun?" And I'm like, I started to feel bad, but then I was like, am I like a do anything fun kind of girl? I don't know. Or have I just not been applying myself? Yeah, I don't need anything else to think about. Yo, I'm just leaving the house now. It's 3:36. I'm shocked my grandma has not called me, honey. I just was sitting there watching TV. I'm just not here. Look at the things. I threw the things down the steps. I'm glad I just saw that because I can bring the ones to the garbage, for real. And I can bring the one for Goodwill and put it in my car at least. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. My favorite dress. It's my favorite dress. One of my favorite dresses. And my Walmart sneakers. Yeah, because it looks like it's going to rain. So I feel comfortable. I feel good. I just feel kind of, Anyway, we're going to go see grandma. So that's always going to put us in a good mood, okay? I'll talk to you guys. Actually, I think I want to bring my Bible with me. So let me pack that up. Me and grandma may need to have a spiritual conversation. You know. I want to go to Sprouts, but I don't. I want to do so much, but I don't want to do it. You ever have one of them days? You know, I finished talking to y'all about eating well and blah, 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 and I couldn't even tell you all the foolishness I literally just ate. It's stupid. Okay, bye, y'all.
Cashapp again.
Richard.
Yeah,
But I use it because I'm not going to want to open it good.
you've been hoping us very much.
What's it?
You said come out easy.
Yeah, but you're the
You
bank for
can't do it. See? Oh, you feel how much I'm not feel one.
I see one start. Where you start, man?
I can't feel. See? Yeah, we not only one body in the skin, and you can't feel.
Me not like skin banana.
What you like? Feel your tight skin. Take off the side.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunday, May 4th, and weigh-in. Let's get right into it. So I did the weigh-in. I actually got on the scale 3 times. You'll see it up here on the screen. I will put a screenshot of the scale. It's a Lark scale, so it's through my insurance. It's free, and it goes right through my app. Excuse me. I feel like really weird in my throat, and I'm gonna be so mad if my coworker who went home and then went to the doctor, who was actually sick, got me sick. I'm gonna be so mad. But I was down. Like, first it said I was up 0.2. Then I think it said I was down 0.2 the last two weigh-ins. I mean, I guess 0.2 is better than nothing, but I'm like, really? I don't know. I honestly don't really have much to say about it this week, to be honest. I'm just kind of blah this week, but I'm happy to report the sun is out. I do really have to work on not letting the weather affect my mood because, when it rains, we probably need it. I need to be happy for that. Either way, I woke up and Jay was making breakfast and it was delicious. So I'm so excited. I had really good breakfast, and y'all know I'm not a breakfast person, but I had eaten like my last meal really early yesterday, so it kind of worked out. And then I've been working at work actually because I know my tomorrow is going to be crazy with doctor's appointment. I have a primary care in the morning, then dental work in the evening, 2 different appointments. And I need to try and do closing out my AP tomorrow as well. So I'm trying to get on top of everything before tomorrow. But then Jay had left to go somewhere, and then I saw him coming back, and I'm like, what are you doing back here already? Like, it's been 2 minutes. But he brought back some people to mow the lawn, you guys. I was so excited because I've not been going out there because the grass is too high. And I have seen a snake out there. When the grass is high, they like to come in the grass and hide. And I'm not going. I'm not going out there. And so as much as I've been wanting to like clear up, just sweep up, clear up the back patio, not going. But now I can see the floor. I can see the floor. So although I was working, I think I'm going to take a break. It's like almost 3. I think it's only like 70 out, so not too crazy. And I can see from the plants there's some good wind. So I'm going to go put on some jeans and probably a long sleeve shirt, a jeans and a shirt, and get out there and just kind of like wipe down, clean up a little bit. See if the back hose is on, because sometimes during the winter I'll turn off the water. Hopefully the water is still on and I can like hose some of the stuff down and let it dry out a little bit, because I'm ready to be able to like sit out there when I want to. You guys, everything is so gross and dirty. I wonder if Jay had put those things up on the corner. Now they're little holes, but I feel like they had holes before he put them up there because they've just been ran through all some winter because the wind and then the tornado warnings. I didn't even want to touch nothing. I ain't gonna lie. But I want to dig up these plants. I'm always forgetting to show you guys the floor, so I've started to, move things along, but what it's looking like now. I have a very small space, but that rug looks crazy. I've had this one up top. It was at the very top, and it's been intact compared to everything else. And I knocked it down to throw it in the garbage. I think some bird has made a nest in my thing. I don't see any babies. Oh, I thought something touched me, but it was just a thing. Oh, girl, I'm quick to go, but I don't see nothing, so I'm gonna throw it away. And I have seen a bird coming in and out of here, so I hope she took her babies and gone now. I don't see no babies in there. But check your stuff. You guys, remind me to get some chair covers for next year because this is for the birds. Like this is things like this that I'm like, I need to just go get a condo and live in a condo where there's only a tiny little balcony where they have to maintain their outdoor space because this, I love sitting out here and I love the peace and quiet, but I don't like having to maintain it. I should have gotten chair covers. I wouldn't. So the other hose was broken. Great. So I've got this attachment, thankfully. And everything's always really... Did it just stop? The phone fell because I was running from Dragonfly Jones because I didn't know what it was at first. And now this is not working. I don't know if it just needs to charge or what. I hope it's not dead because it was plugged in when it fell. That's it for me. I'm not going back out there. I'm not going back out there right now. I feel like I need a pressure washer to get everything as clean. And you help like moving the rug to the fence to really like get some Dawn on it and then pressure wash. Same thing with the what are things called? Cushions. I feel like I should do it in the front because the back gets so muddy. Girl, I'm tired. I'm tired. You think you can call somebody to do this for you? Think they have people? Task rabbits? Anyway, y'all, it is almost 4:30, and I have to take these clothes off if I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree. But now I don't even feel like it. My throat is killing me, and I'm tired. See, look what my thing is doing. What is that even? I hope it's not broken. I really do. It looks kind of crooked to me. Like, is it broke? I'm gonna put it to charge and then see. All things are always working out for my good. But if my new microphone is broken, I'm gonna be a little ticked off. Oh my gosh. Why is this thing just stop? Didn't I stop this? My thing just be doing what it want to do. Like, how did y'all get back on? I didn't touch it.